Welcome back to your daily market close. It's Friday, June 19th, 2026, and the mood on Wall Street is decidedly bullish. Tech stocks absolutely roared today, dragging the broader market higher with them. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 climbed 0.7%, closing at 746.74. The Nasdaq was the clear star of the show, surging 2.5% to finish at 740.62. That is a massive single-day move for the tech-heavy index. The Dow Jones, however, couldn't quite keep up, slipping just barely into the red. It dipped 0.15% to close at 515.52. So a bit of a split personality today between growth and value names. Now let's get to the stocks driving all this excitement. The Magnificent Seven. Nvidia led the charge, jumping nearly 3% to close at $210.69. The AI chip giant continues to dominate headlines and portfolios alike. Right behind it, Amazon surged 2.9%. finishing at $244.39. Meta climbed 1.7% to $577.22. Alphabet gained 1.17%, closing at $368.03. And Tesla rounded out the top five, rising just over 1% to $400.49. Every single one of these mega-cap names finished in the green today. That's a clean sweep. Shifting to commodities, it's a different story. Gold slipped about 0.4% to $387.12. Silver had a tougher day, dropping 1.81% to $59.51. Precious metals clearly taking a backseat as risk appetite surges. Oil, though, moved higher. WTI crude rose about 0.5% to $114.87 a barrel. The Wall Street Journal notes oil is now approaching pre-Iran war price levels. That's a headline worth watching closely. Over in crypto, Bitcoin inched up about 0.25%, trading at $63,016. Ethereum slipped slightly, down about 0.25% to 1,700.60. Relatively quiet day in the digital asset space. Forex data was unavailable for today's session, so we'll bring you those updates as soon as they come in. Now let's hit the top headlines making waves. Barron's is reporting that Micron stock surged to a record high. The catalyst? Apple's announcement of higher device prices. That signals stronger memory chip demand, and investors are clearly pricing that in. Meanwhile, Politico is reporting that the White House is in active discussions with AI company Anthropic. The focus is on setting new security rules for artificial intelligence. This could have big implications for the entire AI sector going forward. So to wrap it all up, today was a tech-driven rally with the Nasdaq putting up a monster session. Big tech names fired on all cylinders while the Dow lagged behind. Keep an eye on oil prices as geopolitical dynamics continue to shift. Watch for any developments on those AI security rules out of Washington. And of course, see how Micron and the chip sector carry this momentum into next week. That's your market close for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.